Hi guys, today we're opening this really bomb out. Let's open it. Oh! Oh, look at this!
Oh, what's this?
Ah! Get out! Oh, my!
God!
Oh my god! Look at this! This is so awesome! We got our bears! Let's go open the shark first! First you put on the vincent. Or can chomp just like the great white. I mean just like the megalodon. And put your bag into it.
Help me, Papa, help me. Whoa. Socks? That's
No, it's a megalodon. So what shall we name the megalodon?
Huh?
Terrence, let's go name the megalodon Terrence. And let's go name the killer whale.
Anya, what did you get?
That
Guy! Let's go!
Sky?
Ooh, Mark found a new
Nice.
friend. Hooray, Mark found a new friend.
Help me.
For
You need help?
him.
Jimenez.
Ah, get this timer out.
Get the guy.
Alright.
I have jungle.
What should we name this guy? Tom? Let's name him Tom.
What else did you get, Andres, besides that?
We go.
What is the other one?
It's the great
What is in the
white-
black box?
We got two flappers.
Andres, what
Huh?
is the other one right there?
Huh?
The other box.
It's the spider hatch. Well, we're going to open this first.
Okay.
Nest.
Anya, what is that, Anya? Sky?
It's cat.
Say thank you, Uncle Earl.
Oh.
Look, say thank you, Uncle Earl. Andres, say thank you, Uncle Earl.
Thank you, Uncle Earl. So, this guy keeps getting untwist.